Hello, everybody. My name's Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics 365 MVP. And today on Partner Talks, I have Kelly Mazur from Evenica. So, Kelly, tell us about who you are and what you do.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Kelly Mazur, and I own marketing and Microsoft partnership at Evenica. I've been working in marketing for the past 15 years with a focus on content creation, strategic messaging, and partnerships. And Evenica has been in the commerce space for the past 20 years. We are one of the leading implementers of Dynamics 365 Commerce, and we also have a growing portfolio of our own IP. And all of that IP extends and amplifies the capabilities of commerce. So we have customers in every major industry, including manufacturing, healthcare, government, and retail. And majority of the projects we do are with another partner. So we are very P2P friendly, and we abide by that better together philosophy within the Microsoft channel.
Okay, perfect, Kelly. So, we're coming out of the spring conferences, and we were both in, where were we? We were in Denver recently for Dynamics Con Live, and we had a thing called the Partner Marketing Event, which you were very involved with. So, give us a little feedback on what you thought about Dynamics Con Live and our Partner Marketing Event.
Yeah, so this was my second year attending Dynamics Con Live, also my second year as a speaker. And I think it's a great industry event. It's this perfect event size to facilitate meaningful connections. It's not too big, but there's still a large enough crowd that you can meet a variety of people. And it's such a great mix of end users, partners. And this year there was noticeably a lot more Microsoft employees, which was great as well. So that event, I think it was 3 days long, and we wrapped up the week with 24 hours of partner marketing event. Both years, I have to say, partner marketing event has been my highlight. It is such a contagious energy in that room, and there's just so much collaboration and so many ideas being shared amongst the partners there. And I think you would agree on that too, Rick. Like any of the sessions that were going on as people were presenting, you must have gotten in your steps those 2 days, because
Absolutely.
we were running around the room with a microphone because there were so many people that either had questions or had something to add, and it just became this great collaboration of everyone in the room talking together.
So, and for those who aren't familiar with the event, this is our second year. It's run in collaboration with Dynamics Con Live and MS Dynamics World, and Partner Talks is also a sponsor. And we pulled together marketers from the Dynamics business applications community. Last year we had 60. This year we were closer to 80 marketers, and I think we're already planning for next year. I think we're going to be over 100 marketers, and it was pretty unique experience, where we really focus on what's going on in business applications, and people really talk freely about their business, what works, what doesn't work, and you really got this whole, partner to partner vibe going on in the room.
Yeah, and there was so much trust in that room too, that people were really opening up about specific problems that they might have been facing with their marketing, with potentially what could have been competitors in the room, but everyone was just so friendly and helpful, and it was such a great environment. And our first session on the first day was the keynote from Deanna Seville from Microsoft. And that was all about how Dynamics marketers can utilize the partner resources from Microsoft. And I had so grateful for the advice that she gave on how partners can get the attention of the Microsoft field team. She had everyone on the edge of their seats in that room. Everyone was just waiting to hear what she was going to say next. And she provided such value, and it was such a great way to kick off that event.
And I think that was a great kickoff. And also the report from MS Dynamics World around ISV, partner to partner, and customer marketing, and what the expectation of the customer is or has been, and what's going forward. And they've gone out and actually surveyed their user base, or membership base, made up of over 150,000 people within the Dynamics community to get this information. So that was very valuable. And I really saw it when we presented it again at Dynamics Minds in Europe. People actually got up afterwards and said, thanks for presenting this information. We need hard stats to really back up what we're thinking. And so we're going to expand on that this year and for next year. So we're very, very excited about that working with MS Dynamics World on the survey.
So that's the panel I sat on, and that was their survey results. So Jason presented the survey results, and then he pulled on the panel to add some input. we had the entire room giving input as well. I think my favorite topic there was when we really got into how buyers perceive ISVs and specifically around software trials. And we had everyone in the room giving input on how long their software trials are and what their process is for their email campaign. When do you hand that lead over to a salesperson and all of that? And there was just so much information being shared in that room.
And so, this event's run twice, and last year you spun off a group within the Doug community to do with marketers, and you meet, I think, quarterly right now on different topics. So let's talk a little bit about that group that keeps this momentum from the partner marketing event moving all year.
For sure. So that's the Doug Marketing Professional Meetup Group. And yeah, like you said, we meet about 4 to 5 times per year for virtual meetups hosted on the Meetup app. And we just get together. What we do is we have a topic. Each member of the board, we take turns hosting them. We all host them a little bit different, but I would say most times it's maybe 20 to 30 minutes of content, and then we really open it up to the floor. So anyone that's viewing, anyone that's tuning in live can really, same as we did in that room, is get that same atmosphere going, but virtually, where everyone is chiming in, asking questions, giving input, sharing best practices. And it's really been a great way for marketers in this space to stay connected virtually between these in-person events. So we have 2 more events for 2024. The next one is with Angie Ryan. She's one of our board members, so she's hosting that one. She's bringing Bob McAdam on as a guest speaker. So that one's taking place August 22nd, and the topic is face-to-face dead? Maximizing ROI at in-person events. And I think the timing of that is perfect. You could probably have some takeaways leading up to the summit. And then November 21st, we have myself, Monica Boyer, Angie Ryan, and Marie Wise doing a panel discussion on what we saw in 2024 and what to expect for marketing in 2025, which is going to be a great way to kind of sum up what we learned this year as we're building out our strategies for 2025. So how to stay in the loop on these events, you can join the meetup group and you can connect with me on LinkedIn as well. And that way you will never miss out on any of the upcoming events.
So I'll put all these links in the post description from this video, and make sure that people follow you, join the Doug group, and get ready for the Partner Marketing Event 2025. So Kelly, thanks for your time today. Thanks for your feedback and all the work you're doing in the community to make it a better place. And I can't wait to start getting you involved with the planning for next year.
Thanks, Rick.
Have a great day, and bye for now.